So he's down there fastening the stake that he drove, and you wonder, what kind of stake? I just happen to have what are called form stakes. They don't cost very much, $5 or $6, or maybe even less than that. But they have holes all in them, so that and this is very, very rocky area, so it's far ahead to use these than to try to use a wood stake. Don't get me wrong, you can still do it with a wood stake. And then we fastened it here, so we don't have to worry about this deck going somewhere, at least the outside of it. Now we're going to pull all those nails and the siding a couple of runs up and see what we can get done.